If you create tutorials, demos, or YouTube videos, you have probably used a screen recorder before. But what if your recorder could also edit your video automatically? That is exactly what Focusee claims to do. In this video, I'll break down its features, pros and cons to see if it is actually worth it. What is Focusee? Focusee is an AI-powered screen recorder that not only records your screen, but also automatically edits your video. And instead of recording and then spending hours editing, Focusee adds things like zoom effects, captions, and cursor highlights automatically. It is designed mainly for content creators, educators, and marketers who want polished videos fast. Key features. Number one, auto zoom and cursor tracking. Focusee automatically zoom into important parts of your screen and follows your cursor. Number two, automatic editing. Big feature. This is the main selling point. Focusee edits your video right after recording, saving a lot of time. Auto captions and AI enhancements. It can generate subtitles and even improve your audio using AI. Cursor effects and highlights. You can customize your cursor style, add click effects, and highlight important actions. Multiple recording modes. Record full screen, a specific window, or a custom area depending on your needs. Pros. Saves a lot of editing time. The auto editing feature is a huge advantage, perfect for beginners or busy creators. Professional looking videos, zoom effects, highlights, and clean visuals make your videos look polished instantly. You do not need editing skills to get good results. All in one tool, recording plus editing in one app, less switching between software. But of course, nothing is perfect. And when talking about the cons, let's start with the first con, which is less control over editing. Since it's automated, you might not get full control like in Premiere Pro or After Effects. Can feel over automated. Sometimes the zoom or effects may not match exactly what you need. Performance issues. Sometimes some users report lag, export issues, or audio sync problems in certain cases. Paid tool. It is not completely free and pricing can feel high compared to basic recorders. Who should use Focusee? Focusee is perfect for YouTubers making tutorials, online teachers, SaaS/product demo creators. But if you are a professional editor, you might prefer more manual control. Focusee versus OBS. Compared to OBS, OBS gives you full control but no editing. Focusee gives you automatic editing but less flexibility. So it really depends on your workflow, speed versus control. Pricing. Focusee offers different plans, including subscriptions and lifetime options, with pricing starting around $19.99 plus depending on the plan. Final verdict. Focusee is a great tool if you want fast, polished videos without editing. It's not perfect, especially for advanced users, but for most creators, it can save hours of work. So now let me know down below in the comments. Did you use Focusee before or not? And if you did, please share your experience. And that's all for today's review. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend who wants to use Focusee or wants to become a tutorial YouTuber. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review video.